Hello everyone, how are you today? As a fan of electric cars, today I want to talk about my favorite EV charger. If you're considering buy a new electric car, or already own an electric car, or if you're looking for EV charger of other brands, this video may help you. Well, we all know that electric cars do not bring any pollution and environmentally friendly. That's why it become more and more popular. The most important one, it's very economical. You can forget to bring your wallet, but you cannot forget to bring your EV charger when you going out, because it will be your best partner when you go away. Let me show you my favorite brand, Migear. This EV charger is equipped with two different plugs. One is NEMA 620 and one is NEMA 515. Wow, Migear is really thoughtfulness, and it allows me to use or switch these two plugs easily. The charging speed of this EV charger is 3.86 kWh. Then charging at level 2, my car can get up to 15 miles per hour. Migear Level 2 EVs features 240V, 16A charging, and up to 3 times faster with 220-volt outlet than your car original charger, which means you can get more time for fun and adventure and less time for waiting around. The length of the charging cable from the standard volt outlet plug to the charging connector is 25 feet, and the length of the connection plug is 3 feet. This product is also equipped with 515 adapter. Wow, good, it's so convenient for me, maybe not just me, also and you. Well, this product will give you a hook and a dog as your gift. It's very important to have a good charger, as it will make you feel at ease and rest assured. Every time when I go to travel or go to my friend's house, I take it with me and put it in the back of carcass area. Sometimes I forget to bring it. I feel very uneasy, because I like to drive around with my friends, and I'm afraid that driving for long will cause the electric car to run out of battery. Trust me, Migear is your best choice. Thank you for your time. I'm going for a drive. Have a nice day. Bye.